Hello there. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of connecting your Namecheap domain to a Wix website. If you're interested in getting some affordable hosting from Namecheap, there's a link in the description offering great discounts, which also supports the channel. Now, let's dive right into the steps on how to achieve this. First, log into your Namecheap account and navigate to your dashboard. Here, you'll find the domain you wish to connect to Wix. Copy the domain name for now. Next, head over to Wix and access your account. Once logged in, select the site you want to connect your domain to. On the left-hand menu, click on Settings and scroll down to find the Domain section. Open this section in a new tab. Paste your copied domain into the provided field and click the Let's Go button. Wix will prompt, "This domain is taken. Is it yours?" Select Yes, I own this domain. To proceed, you must upgrade your Wix plan to a paid one, which is required for connecting third-party domains. Wix offers plans starting at £7.50 per month. Now let's connect the domain. Here I will show it can take about 5 minutes to connect, but up to 48 hours for all changes to update across servers. Click Start and log into your domain provider. I'm using Namecheap, so I'll open my domain settings and click I found my domain settings. In the settings, scroll to Name Servers. Replace the old name servers with the new ones from Wix. Copy the first Wix name server, set Namecheap to Custom DNS, and paste it into Nameserver 1. Copy the second Wix name server and paste it into Nameserver 2. Click the green checkmark to save. The update may take up to 48 hours to take effect. Wix will verify the connection in about 30 seconds. Once done, check the domains page on Wix. When the status updates, your domain will be live worldwide. Just be patient if it takes the full 48 hours. If everything was entered correctly, your domain is now connected to your Wix site. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact support for assistance. That's it. You've successfully connected your Namecheap domain to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And remember, check out the description for a link to discounted Namecheap hosting. Thank you, and see you in the next video.